Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your reel automatically not showing in your device. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to. For that, first of all, open your Instagram. Then search here plus icon. Then select here reels. In this you can see here top right side corner setting icon, press on this. Now you can see here reels. Open this option. You can see here save reels to device. Automatically save your reels to your phone. They will be saved when you publish them. If this option is disabled, you should enable this option. After enabling this option, your reels automatically save in your device. That's it guys. So in this way you save your reels in device. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.